vlogging. Bro, what the hell? What the hell? What's up guys? So we're finally vlogging again. I know the vlogs have been kind of like spotty the past couple weeks, but we're back vlogging again. I actually just bought a new camera, new microphone, new lens, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So we're gonna go pick up the camera now at Best Buy. Probably gonna get something to eat. I don't really know what else we're gonna do, but yeah, we're gonna bring you guys along for the ride. So we're at Best Buy now. About to go pick up the camera. Dude, my car is a mess. It just snowed, so like there's a bunch of salt and shit on the roads. So now it's all dirty. That's terrible. Perfect. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Alright guys, so we just got at Best Buy. Picked up the camera that I ordered online. And it actually worked out. They had a like the exact lens that I was looking for in store. So I ordered the lens online, and it said it'd be here in a couple of days. And I walked back there to see if they had it. They said they didn't have it online, but it was in the store. So luckily I got that lens. I'll just have to return the other one, but it worked out. We're about to get in the car and switch over cameras. Hopefully you guys will see a good quality change because this is quite expensive. This camera was $2,000 I think, which honestly, I'm looking at it as an investment. It is an investment, I guess. I really want to hit 100K in 2021. So I guess in order to do that, I gotta have the best quality camera and lens and all that good stuff. So hopefully you guys will be able to see a really good difference. I currently have the 6400 Sony, or A6400. I think I got it a year ago or so, maybe. Yeah, it was a year ago. So now we're stepping it up. A year later, got the good A7 Mark III. Hopefully you guys will see a quality change. This should be a way better lens for vlogging. This is a 20mm lens, so should be like wider angle. Actually, since it was open box, it was like 800 bucks when it's usually like 9. So I guess we got a deal on it. Oh, I also ordered a new mic today. It's like a wireless mic. So when I go to conventions and stuff, you guys will be able to hear me a lot better instead of the normal mics. Dang, this is significantly heavier, but it should be a lot better. Uh-oh. If this doesn't have the same batteries, I'm gonna be pissed. It has different batteries, and I literally have so many of these batteries right here. Oh shit, it's okay. It didn't even feel like that long. What? It didn't even feel like that long.
We probably should have just waited about midnight. What can I get you guys to drink? So we're at BRICKTOWN, and I got the same thing I got last time, and you probably don't remember what it was. It was a BRICKTOWN Club with no lettuce or tomato with sweet potato fries, and Hunter got the same thing he got last time too, which are the chopped and chipped nachos.
We had to wait in the car for a second, but you guys didn't see that. But we had to wait for a second. We're going to LA. You'll probably see that in the video after this. We had this sick ass Airbnb. We're gonna go.
Wait, what is it called? Moroccan vibes?
It's called something weird. I don't know. We're gonna go. I can't show you. Tell us figure out, but it'll be fucking sick. Yeah, that's what's happening.
Yeah, and this time I actually get to go with him. Period.
Oh wait, we're not on the new camera yet because it didn't take the same batteries. I need to order batteries right now, so that's really unfortunate. But yeah.
I love you.
I love you. Ooh. My car's gonna be so dirty. You guys probably can't see me right now.
Going through the car wash.
There's so much like sand and salt. It's so bad. But we just got to BRICKTOWN. It was pretty good. The wait was kind of long, but I don't know. It wasn't too bad. We got some good food, quick and easy as always. I think we're going back home now. I'm gonna get my camera charged up and stuff because tomorrow we're going to Kicklahoma mini cam, so it should be good. Sheesh, you know what's going on, bro? How's it going?
How you doing, man? The Pike's Place, extra shot of espresso from Starbucks.
He's putting you on.
That'll get you going. You will never work harder in your life. Every day.
I don't even drink coffee and I fuck with it.
It'll get you going.
still fucking look at it and I'm like, holy shit, it's crazy. Thank you, sir. No fit check.
Yes, sir. There
Bro, I found this in my closet. I found it in my closet, so I had to put it on. Thank you, sir.
Any trash can?
They were on the trash can?
Yeah. Mine now.
Completing the fit. Oh shit. Yes, sir.
Shit.
We got the bag, the whip. If you guys haven't seen one of my last videos, probably the video before this, it was about you guys have to start reselling right now. Cam's gonna solidify that a little bit for you. I mean, you want to tell them what happened. It's honestly fucking crazy. Using his connections.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, if you check out my channel at Tinto's Tulsa, we posted a video about they're the most expensive shoes that I've ever owned. I've been reselling for 7 years. I've touched a lot of shoes, probably thousands of shoes in and out. And these 2 pairs were the craziest shoes. They were the OU PEs, the 1s and the 4s. They were size 10 and a half. We sold those this past week. It was a bittersweet moment. We loved having them in the store. You know, they were always a discussion piece, you know, just the University of Oklahoma, you know, very...
It's like all we got in Oklahoma, for being honest. Like,
yeah,
you just
like
got
it's,
OU football.
Yeah, it's a big deal with OU, but can't forget OSU too, go Pokes, always. But it was a big deal. We sold them, the OU 4s and the 1s. We got them both for both of them, and we sold them for. So
that's insane, dude. If you guys aren't reselling right now, literally, obviously he's been in the game for a long time, so he's learned a lot of things, but like still getting into it, I mean, you can make stupid money with sneakers.
It all starts with one shoe, and
yeah.
I feel like right now it's the best time to start because you can find mids that are going, you hold them for 2-3 months, you know, you can get the quick flip.
You buy them for, I pay $126 in Oklahoma, take them to 10 toes and selling them for $220, easy money, guys. You don't even need to buy the cop mids at this point. So like, if you're on the game,
just do loops. Go to the store.
Just go to your local store, honestly.
Yeah.
Like, it's so fucking crazy.
It's easy money. It's really easy money.
It sounds easier said than done, but like, put the work in. Awesome videos for you guys, obviously. Just fucking work your ass off.
Also, consignment. Always shop local, man. Support your local guys. You know, it's a great community. I met some of my best friends that I've had for years, you know, selling and buying shoes. You meet really cool people, man. But one thing, you know, support your local guys, consign with your local shops, you know, and if you don't have a local shop, try to find somewhere.
You got one now, 10 Toes Tulsa, link in the description below.
Yes, sir.
No, but actually, it's true, because like a lot of these online sites stuff, like I bought fake shoes online. I'm not proud of it, but I have. But like, if you're locally and you're like, if you're shopping with your local guys, like even before I knew Cam on like a personal level, like he'd always like be tight with me, you know what I mean? Like I always felt good shopping with 10 Toes and selling there, because like, I mean, I knew I could trust them. They weren't gonna ever fuck me over, so like, you know how it goes. This Tesla just pulled up on us, bro. I wasn't even sport.
Tesla against the IA. Yes. He didn't want the IA.
Alright guys, so apparently my gas thing is stuck. If you see it, it's open on the top, but on the bottom it's not. So apparently this is a common problem with the IA8. I didn't know about it. So we're gonna have to do some DIY. Oh, here we go, look.
The green one?
Yeah, there you go. There we go, let's go.
Money shot.
There we go, Thank Google, thank Cam.
It's a dub. Never gonna have that issue again.
Alright guys, we are at the convention now, getting all of our stuff together. It's starting to warm up.
Yeah, it's a lot hotter.
Like
I don't know if you guys know Oklahoma weather, but like 5 days ago it was like negative 20 degrees.
3 days ago it was like
negative 10 wind chill or something.
Crazy.
And now it's like 60, 70 degrees.
I know. But we're at the convention now. Cam's about to buy some heat.
Try.
Hopefully.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So all three of those off-whites and a 14, both of those 5s off-whites and a 14. That 95's a 14, that Dunk's a 14, that Union's a 14.
Man, I'm just looking for bulk right now. Would you be interested in, like, you know, a couple more pairs?
Shit, maybe come back a little bit back later, you know.
I feel you, bro. It's early. It's early. What's up, bro?
Cam, what's poppin', Cam? Yeah, man, 10 toes Tulsa, man, let's do it.
How you been, bro?
Man, making it happen, making something out of nothing.
Oh yeah, over here. See these?
Some heat. Those are crazy.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. That's what and I just looked down and I was like, oh shit. You know,
Yeah, I was like, oh man, he's probably super busy. I want him to
This is size 10, brother.
Size 10.
Yeah.
Bro, I fucked up on the Jubilees.
Should have bought them all. Meet in the middle and do 230.